and welcome to the award-winning community of Rancho Sahuarita, located in Sahuarita, Arizona. We are today in one of the most desirable floor plans built by Pulte Homes. This home sits just under 2,500 square feet and features a split bedroom floor plan with 3 of the bedrooms at the front of the home, the master completely separated, and then a very nicely sized bonus room off of the laundry room. We're also in a prime location, being that we're just across the way from the 20,000 square foot fitness facility and clubhouse. Not only that, we're very close to the walking trails, parks, various pools, and everything you could want. Thank you guys so much and enjoy this home tour.
Hi and welcome to this beautiful backyard. Today we're experiencing a monsoon rain in Arizona, which happens from June 15th to September 15th. One of the unique features that this home offers is this big backyard with an oversized patio, covered patio, and no rear neighbors, which is really hard to find in Rancho Sahuarita. And the back of this home is natural desert, which means you probably hear roosters, javelinas, and even coyotes. Thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoy this video.